Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Polkadot on Robinhood and want to move it over to Bitrue for more trading options or better control in 2025, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Bitrue. If you haven't already, download the Bitrue app or head to their website and create an account. It's free and straightforward. Just verify your email and set up two-factor authentication for extra security. This is crucial in 2025, as crypto scams are more sophisticated than ever. Once you're logged into Bitrue, navigate to the wallet section and select Polkadot. Generate or copy your unique .wallet address. This is like your crypto's home address. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Pro tip: Bitrue might show a QR code, which can make things easier if you're using a mobile app. Now, switch over to Robinhood. Log in to your account and go to your portfolio. Find your Polkadot holdings and look for the withdraw or transfer option. Select from the list, then paste the wallet address you copied from Bitrue. You'll need to enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary but are usually around $1-5 depending on blockchain congestion. Before you hit confirm, review everything carefully. Check the address, the amount, and any fees displayed. Once you're sure, go ahead and initiate the transfer. Robinhood will process it, and it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the to show up on Bitrue, thanks to blockchain confirmations. While you wait, keep an eye on your transaction status. You can use blockchain explorers like Polkadot's official site to track it. If anything goes wrong, like a wrong address, you might lose your funds, so always stay vigilant. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Polkadot from Robinhood to Bitrue in 2025. This process not only gives you more flexibility with your crypto but also helps you explore advanced features on Bitrue. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.